Hello guys! Today I will show you how to set up a source for YouTube Gallery widget. At YouTube channel URL, you need to paste a link to your YouTube channel. Just head over to your channel and copy the link from the address bar. We recommend doing it from desktop as short mobile links are not fully supported. Alternatively, you can click More here and click Share Channel. Now, if that's all you need, you're good to go. But if you want to do a bit more, like hiding the channel header, showing a playlist, a single video, or pulling videos from different channels at once, then source groups can help. By default, everything is displayed just as it is, but source groups give you more control and flexibility over what's shown. Let's head over to the Source Groups tab and add one. Let's add any playlist first. Here you can give your group a name and then click Add URL to paste your link. Open your playlist. Copy the URL from the address bar and paste it to the widget. Please note that playlist will be displayed the same way it's on YouTube. Videos will be in the same order and won't be sorted by the latest ones. If you want to change the order, you need to do it directly on YouTube. As you see, now it displays only videos from our playlist. Let's add a channel. Just open your channel, copy the link from the address bar and paste. Now we have a separate tab which displays all videos from the channel. Finally, to add a specific video, just copy a video URL from the address bar and paste it. And that's it. Now we have 3 separate source groups set up, and you can customize design at Layout and Appearance tabs. Now, let's remove the channel link we previously added and hide a header. Of course, you can keep one if you like it. As you see, now it comes without a header. To check full instructions on configuring your widget, please check our Help Center article, link in the description. Thank you for watching and being with us.